In this video, we discover the sustainable future of period care. Inside Factory, where nature meets engineering. Here, the raw material undergoes separation to isolate the valuable long fibers. The bark provides the long fibers for structural integrity, while the core offers super absorbency. We meticulously clean and sort the fibers to ensure the highest purity standards. These purified fibers are compressed, ready for the transformation into absorbent pulp. Using a chemical-free mechanical process, we begin breaking down the structure. The fibers are mixed with pure water to create a homogeneous organic pulp. This slurry is the lifeblood of our plastic-free product, moving directly to the forming line. Through a vacuum forming process, the water is extracted, leaving behind a continuous wet-laid web. This natural entanglement creates the strong yet porous structure of the pad core. This perforated top layer ensures rapid acquisition, keeping the surface dry.
The backing is a plant-based film, compostable at home, replacing traditional plastic.
We use ultrasonic sealing technology to bond layers without harsh chemical adhesives. This thermal bond creates a leak-proof edge barrier that is gentle on skin. The composite web moves forward, ready for the critical shaping stage. A rotary die cutter stamps the individual pad shapes with millimetric precision. Even our waste is managed efficiently, recycled back into the pulp stream. The pads now travel to the wing attachment unit for added security.
This paper is also certified compostable, ensuring zero plastic waste.
Pads are automatically counted and stacked into precise retail quantities. Robotic arms handle the stacks gently, maintaining hygiene standards.
The individual packs are wrapped in a clear plant-based film derived from cornstarch.
Heat sealing creates an airtight barrier, keeping the pads sterile and dry. The continuous flow is cut into individual easy-open sachets. Each individual pad is now sealed, tamper-proof, and ready for the carton. Automated case packers organize the pads into recycled cardboard boxes. We use paper tape instead of plastic tape to maintain our 100% plastic-free promise. Mechanical stress tests ensure the wings stay securely in place during movement.
Microbiological testing guarantees that the product is hypoallergenic and safe.
Back on the line, 100% of products are scanned by optical sensors for defects. Defective products are instantly removed without stopping the production flow. The result of this complex process is a simple, pure product.
Easy to open, comfortable to wear, and kind to the planet.
The organic cotton top sheet feels incredibly soft against the skin.
Unlike plastic pads, this moves naturally with your body.
Because it's made from plants, it returns to the earth within months.
High-performance absorbency doesn't require chemicals. Precision engineering ensures consistency in every single pack.
Automation allows us to scale sustainability to a global audience.
Even the smallest details, like this glue-free seal, make a difference.
The air-laid process creates a loft that synthetics struggle to match.
No gels, no beads, just pure cellulose power. The manufacturing line handles the delicate material with care. Human oversight remains the final judge of quality. The Stay Dry technology is physics, not chemicals. Manufactured in a medical-grade environment for your safety.
We stockpile raw materials to ensure consistent supply chains.
Embossing increases the surface area for faster absorption. High-pressure compression creates the slim profile. Breathable backsheet allows for air circulation, reducing moisture buildup. Precision placement ensures a perfect seal every time.
Every pack is dated and traceable to its production batch. Ready for distribution to eco-conscious consumers worldwide.
It's a cycle of growth and regeneration.
Holding nature in your hand, literally.
The choice is clear when you see the impact.
Soft edges prevent chafing and irritation.
We test for breathability to ensure maximum comfort.
The natural structure of Kenaf is designed by nature to hold water. Our facility runs on renewable energy sources. We treat our process water to protect local rivers. Final pressing unifies the layers into a single strong unit. Efficient logistics maximize our throughput.
We minimize adhesive use to maximize biodegradability. Converting raw materials into usable components is a skill. Regular calibration ensures our sensors are accurate.
A small change in your routine makes a massive impact on the planet.
Fusion without chemicals.
Precision shaping.
Zero waste philosophy in action. Ensuring a secure fit.
Ready for immediate use. Counting for convenience. Sealing in freshness.
Individual protection. Shipping efficiency. Inside factory, redefining period care.
Feel the difference of nature. Locking in moisture.
Natural absorbency in action. Durability you can trust. Quality in every pixel. Maintaining standards. Powered by the sun.
Comfort redefined.
Easy access design. On its way to you. Instant dryness. Engineered layers. Textured for performance. Secure hold. Slim profile technology. Final preparation.
Certified organic.
Secure for travel.
Closing the loop.
Made from nature. Made for you.